Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. So today I'm going to show you how can you add your sound as studio effect echo sound. So don't waste time. So let's move on to my mobile. So I'm showing my mobile casting into my laptop. So after casting my mobile into laptop, so here is my mobile. I have downloaded one application from Play Store, that is 𝗏𝗏𝗏, which you can see. I'll open this and then you can see here the interface. So this, for that, first of all I'm going to make one setting to use easily. I'll click here and so if you like this channel, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment, and please support me by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.